Morning world. It is... what time is it now? 8. That's alright. I'm watching the delayed telecast of the WWDC. The awesome view is still here. We gotta check out like soon. Actually check out in the afternoon rather, but like yeah. Yeah. Gotta check out in the afternoon, so we're gonna head out for the morning first and then come back for the checkout and then hit the train back to Seoul in the evening. Yeah. WWDC.
So your music that you love is gonna be ready.
We are here at the Centum City area. I presume this is... I'm not sure if it is Centum City. It's supposed to be some world largest mall kind of thing, but we are supposed to look for breakfast first, and it does not seem like, at least on the top side, it's very breakfasty, this area. So we will figure that out. You are asking these kids for help. They're all in stripes. Okay, this is cool. This building, guess what it's called? Are you ready? I'm not sure if it really belongs to him though. But it is interesting nevertheless. Ended up at a Hansot. So look at the menu. It's alright, there's noodles. This passes. They're all trying to explain, she's trying to figure it out. They're eating this ramen. And I'm trying their local, not their local, store noodles. Store noodles. Breakfast is cup noodles. And then like rice. And then karaage. And more cup noodles. That is Shinsegae. It's also the biggest departmental store in the world. Ooh. What are you going to do with such a big space? Oh yeah, we're here at Diorama World. So there is dioramas inside of like trains, humans, and Diorama World. I'll probably do a montage. check out this place. It is huge. Didn't manage to check out everything. Just a small area. Bought some Adventure Time stuff also. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel and then check out and then head out again. Yeah, it's there. Checked out of the room. We're going to look for lunch now and then head to the train station for the train to back up to Seoul.
It's okay.
And then we are going to this place which I cannot pronounce. Oh yeah.
Potato. Rocket.
More beef. Okay, ready? Yeah.
You got a funny taste, but you must like it.
It's in a quiet place. Yeah.
Very fast,
Very fast.
After lunch delights. Donut. Donut.
And then I all went to poop. It's another day of Sam Swag. The segment is called Sam Swag. Oh, I can't focus. Guess who's back from taking the shit? So the disgusting.
Slowly takes a while to read.
Yeah. And slowly, patience is a so gross. Slowly zoom out. Anyways, it is the 6th day, I think, that we are here. How to put this? Whoa. It's the 6th day that we are here. I don't know whether it's the 6th or it's just the 6th of June. But yes, I think it's the 6th day that we're in Korea. Oh, my skin looks damn bad. Look at this. Look at this shit. Oh goodness, why your camera so good? Can see all the my pores. It's so disgusting. Stop. Okay. What are we waiting for? We're waiting for the parents and to go back to Seoul to take the long ass train again. And yeah, I think I'm gonna go and scroll around now. Okay, bye. Oh, yeah. Gross.
We're back to Busan Station. Let's go. It's drizzling a bit now. Huh? No, look at the green one. Before the train ride, we were at Paris Bakute, where there's salad, there's bread, there's bakute over there, ice cream. Ooh, milk ice cream. Milk ice cream and ice monaka. Okay. It's more Krispy Kreme for me. Final call for the train, and we are going to the tracks. Those two are still back there. Let's go! Made it! Hahaha! Oh, he's loading up the newspapers, that guy. And the train is wet. It's raining, drizzling a bit out there. Yay! Ooh, you just shoved me, mate. Okay, so we've got our seats here. It's awesome. Window outside, and I thought there was supposed to be a USB port somewhere. Turns out there isn't.
Yeah, below.
Oh really? Where?
Yeah.
Oh yeah! Look at that USB port. Time to charge the phone. Charge it. Yes, we are here. Back in Seoul. Yay! Why? We are back in. Oh no! The droplet just dropped on my head. Back in Seoul. It is drizzling. It is 16 degrees. Yeah, back in Seoul, and it's 8:05. So that's alright. We're gonna head back to the hotel first, and then check back in, and then head for dinner. It is drizzle, drizzle. First drizzle. Yeah, I didn't say. Rainy, rainy. Lucky we have that. Made it back. Woo! Hey! Okay. Hey, please nobody show inside. At her. It is pouring even more now. There in front, and yeah, welcome to rainy Seoul. We are back. Oh god, I probably should have worn the slippers out instead of the shoes. It's getting pelted on. Try not to stick my camera out, but everyone's in gear to fit this weather. It is getting way chilly. Oh look, at least some businesses have seek to take advantage of the situation, while some others, good luck. Look at that, nice. This is still Myeongdong. Yeah, there's still a lot of noise and hype, but just lesser people, just cause, you know, raining. Nice. I can smell it now. Sabrina sprayed something on her own face, and then now it's very pungent. Oh god, the rain is getting heavier. Oh! So ready. Okay, and we are having the same thing again. Because bet on your winners, like we always say. Lovely. Okay, now I've gotta move in because I cannot. Hey, coming in. Come back here for dinner again. Woo! That's cool. Yeah. Done with Danes. The rain has slowed down a bit. It's drizzling now. And yeah, they're gonna buy some stuff before heading back to the hotel. And that will mark the end of today. And then tomorrow... and then tomorrow is gonna be heading to the airport and then back home to Singapore. No. Singapore! No. In the new room, gonna start packing up a bit tonight, and then yeah, we're gonna head back to Singapore tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching today's vlog. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye!